Hello and welcome to the shed where I'm sheltering from the Cornish weather on this blustery, showery April spring day. And today is a 5-minute modification. Yes, I'm going to fit this TEC short performance baffle to my BSA Goldstar, and all I'm going to need is a few simple tools: 5mm hex key, 10mm spanner, that's for removing the current baffle, and I'm going to use a file to do just a little bit of dressing on this, but I'll show you that in a minute. But just for now, all I need to do is take out the old baffle, which is currently bolted in, put this one in, and I guarantee you it will only take 5 minutes. Well, except the fact that I'm Captain Clumsy, and you know what I'm like. So keep watching and see how it turns out. But I think we're going to be all right. Now, before we go ahead and actually fit the baffle, there's just something I wanted to attend to, which you may or may not be able to see on the screen. But the edge of the end of the baffle and inside the internal bit of the baffle, they're both quite rough. There's needs a little bit of deburring. So I'm going to take a file and very simply just take that little bit of burr off. Really won't take very much, and it doesn't matter about if I scratch this at all, because this isn't a visually important item. It's more about the sound. In fact, it's all about the sound. Apologies for the slight break in transmission there, but the door just blew shut, nearly knocked the camera over, so I was ending up with a broken camera, which wouldn't be good. That file was just a little bit too big, but I've got a little micro file here which I think should do the job. Yeah, it's easier to get in. Just take that little bit of burr, off. Okay, and for this, we're going to use the Allen key and the 10mm spanner. A bit of an awkward angle for me, but otherwise I'll be in front of the camera, so wish me luck. So there's these are self-locking nuts, so that will take a while before they come free. No, actually, that one's coming free now. Yeah. There we go. Put it down. And the other one. There we go. This would be easier if I wasn't facing away from what I'm trying to do, but I think we've actually got there now. Right, take these out. Shouldn't be too difficult. Keep those, always useful. Let's see if we can get the actual baffle out. Here it comes. It's quite a big bold boy, isn't it? Look at that. And what we're replacing it with, I'll show you that right now. So there we have it. The difference in size is immense. That's probably only less than a quarter of the size, fifth of it. So weight reduction there as well. Job's a good one. Let's get it fitted now. Here is the replacement. And I'm going to fix it with this hole, not that one because it's just easier to see. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to fit the washer in between the Allen bolt and the baffle, which might be a little bit difficult to get seated. No, I think that has got it. Let's see. Yeah, we are in. No torque setting available for this, so just do it up tight, okay? I'm not going to do it any tighter than that, and it's in. one baffle. Just going to loosen it off a tad. Ooh. Now, keep it at that angle. I think. Now, it won't go any tighter than that. That's as far as it goes. It's level, and we're done. Right, let's see how that sounds. Well, I think that's a lovely mellow burble myself. Very nice. Not too loud. You can still hear that single cylinder thump. So there we have it. Another 5-minute modification to my BSA Goldstar. It's so easy, anybody can do it. All you need is a handful of ordinary tools, which I'm sure you'll have in your toolbox, or you'll know somebody has them. Very easy to do. Just take a little bit of care as you go along. So I've been Andy, or Captain Clumsy, from Cornish Motorcycle Diaries. Please do like, comment and subscribe. It is very important, particularly the subscribing, the liking and commenting. They help this channel to survive the YouTube algorithm, which is quite relentless and brutal for smaller channels. We just need a bit of help to survive, really, and keep delivering good content to you. Anyway, on that note, hopefully I'll see you in another one of these out on the road, or maybe I'll even meet up with you. That would be nice. I'm in the Bike and Brew Passport event this year, so I'll be going to various cafes all around the south and west of England, and possibly some further up too. So keep an eye out for me on my bright red BSA, and I'll see you there. Bye for now.